it's Kitty! Oh my god. Kitty, why are you out of my imagination? You were so bored you opened a portal in the back of your mind which let me out. Oh. Well, that's cool. Yep. What's it like in my imagination? Pretty cool, except Godzilla keeps eating all the buildings. Stop complaining or you get to go back inside my imagination. Oh, I'm just talking to Kitty.